So what's good? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. A lot of money was spent, and yeah, so I'm waiting for the delivery guy to get here because my Genius tune for the AMG is supposed to be here. So yeah, I guess you guys can figure out already by that what we're doing today. We're tuning the AMG, so I'm super excited right now. So let's go ahead and get into today. Woo! Alright, get this beast warmed up. We gotta go put some gas in her because of the AMG mode. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to go we'll go to the pops first, so that way we can get everything ready and situated to start putting the tune in. Okay, so I'm at my dad's house, and it looks like the package that came in the mail was not the tune yet. So it is still coming today. The video is still about the tune. Alright, but that was not what was in the mail. That one's still coming by UPS. I thought it was already dropped off. But I am excited to show you guys this right here. Boom. What is it? Who can guess? Who can guess? It's from my favorite YouTuber. Shouts out to him. Who can guess who my favorite YouTuber is? Because this is something that I bought because of him. Bought one for me and my pops because we both been watching him for about 5 years now. He's the one who's, you know, inspired me to do YouTube. For everybody that knows me personally, knows that I may not have all the cars at the same time, but I've had just about every single car that this person has, and had them built and had fun in them as well. So over the years, only I was recording then. But anyways, if you haven't guessed yet, myke. Yes, myke. Yep, that's it. Go look them up on YouTube if you don't know. But yeah, it's the myke merch. Been waiting for this. I'm excited. I bought 2 of them. Let me get a razor blade, get this thing open. I'll get this open right now. Alright, so let's do this. Yes, sir. The thing is, I don't wanna cut what I got. So let's see. Oh man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There it is. Oh dude, the quality of this is dope. Check it out. Ooh. Woo! That's it. That myke with the Fox body. Y'all already know. Yeah, that shit is dope. Yeah, shout out to myke. Go follow him. That dude's amazing. He has some good shit. But hey, stay tuned though, you guys. My Genius is supposed to show up. You know, I keep tracking it. I thought it was already here, so it'll be here soon though. Where are you at, UPS? Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Alright, I guess while we're waiting, I can give you guys a little better sound clip of the way the AMG is sounding now with the downpipes. And with the couple of stuff I bought, maybe we'll be able to go for a little drive. We'll see. Okay, seriously, video does no justice at all. It's just too loud. The exhaust is way too loud for you to be able to actually grasp the actual sound that's coming out. I mean, it sounds amazing. You can hear those turbos like crazy, but like, yeah, the actual sound that it makes is completely different than what the video is able to capture. And this is with a better microphone now. It still just does not capture. It's just too high pitched. Maybe from farther away you might be able to capture a glimpse of it, but at the end of the day, it's one of those things you're gonna have to see or hear in person. So, you know, but either way, little sound clip. I'm gonna try to do one while we're driving, see how, if it picks up too much wind noise or not, and what it's gonna sound like. So let's try that right now. already dripping sweat. Gosh, it is already 100-something degrees over here, you know, in California. You gotta love it. But so there you go. There's a little bit better sound clip as to what a full straight pipe, down pipe CLS63 AMG sounds like, or you know, an M157 platform. So get a lot of turbos. Again, I didn't get to really get onto it to get into second gear and, you know, go through all that and get some louder downshifts, but you know, that's just in the, I was honestly testing out the new GoPro equipment. Didn't want the GoPro to fly off, you know, so but it did all right. So I'm definitely going to be doing way better once the tune gets loaded in. So as of right now, we're just waiting for the tune, so stay tuned. Okay, so it is getting kind of late, which is a bummer, and oh my god. So all I gotta say is UPS does not play around with when they say they're gonna drop things off. 7 o'clock on the dot. I have been waiting all day for this, so here it is. Boom, there's the box. Let me get this cut open. All right, so grab this. Let's see what's in here on the little unboxing. Alright. Got my big Race IQ stickers. Thanks, Anthony. Those are going to be going on the bins. And here we go. There it is. Okay. This is going to be dope. Let's get this one open. So again, we got the Race IQ, another sticker, I got some instructions we gotta follow, and then here it is. Awesome. So it looks like we're gonna have to do this tomorrow though, because I gotta do some emails and some stuff like that to get it actually uploaded. But it'll still be in the same video for you guys, but looks like I gotta wait a whole nother day. Thanks, UPS. Okay, cool. So another day for me, same day for you, but here we go. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. Right here, boom. I'm gonna be doing the tune right now. I already got it back, so confirming, and it's loading right now to the My Genius, and then from here I'm gonna go throw it in the AMG and we're gonna see what it's all about. But look right there, Race IQ stage 2 pops and bangs. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but right now we're uploading and writing it to the device. So yes sir, there it goes. Process is complete. I don't know why it's not clearing up for you guys. Let me see if I can zoom out or zoom in. Nothing. Weird. But yeah, process is complete. Okay, so we're in the AMG now, and I just plugged in the scanner, or the My Genius, and we're about to start writing this tune, so let's see how it goes. Okay, and we are programming it right now. It is running through a bunch of systems and doing all kinds of stuff right now, so we are writing the program. So here we go. Just gotta sit and wait. Yes sir. I'm so excited right now because basically we're supposed to be looking at some pretty good numbers right now. So to be stage 2 tune, pops and bangs, with downpipes on my CLS63 AMG. So hopefully we get around like 650 horsepower and somewhere around 800 foot-pounds of torque, which is insane. So yes sir. But yeah, right now like it's just running through these little modes and all the lights are on the dash. Turn the radio off, have the AC off so we don't kill the battery, and we're already almost halfway there, so we're looking pretty good. Oh yeah, got the windows rolled down since it's kind of warm. But I cannot wait to start this thing up and hear this monster. And we're right there. There it is. Switch dashboard off. Alright, so we're going to switch the dashboard off. Press OK. Put it to the battery. Yes, switch dashboard on. 2 clicks. Hit OK. Starting with communication. Let's see. Okay, switch dashboard off. Okay. And it says right there, riding ECU complete. Okay. Waiting, analyzing, logging in. And yeah, dashboard's off right now. I think once this is done, I'll be able to start the car. Okay, and as far as I know, we're done. So let me unplug the MyGenius. There we go. And let's see if she starts. There it is. She's awake. She's awake. That's it, boy. All right. Put in AMG mode. Oh, she's louder now. Oh, it's popping. Oh, yeah. We're going to go for a test drive. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. All right, you guys. Let's do this. First time driving it. I know, look, let's see. A little dark in here, but you can see me. All right, we're going to go for our first test drive in our tuned, or my tuned CLS. I'm going to keep just not full traction off, just sports in, just because it already spins. So I don't know how much it's going to spin now, but we're going to see what this thing does right now. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. But it's going to be definitely more snappy here. So let's see. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Oh man. Oh, by the way, there's no check engine light. Turbos are stupid loud. I might have to just do this so you guys can see me. I'll just drive with those lights on. Tinted windshield. Okay, so we're just gonna do like a 20. You guys ready? Shit! Woo! Did you hear the pops? Oh my God! Here you go. Here. We're gonna get pulled over. Oh my God, that is too loud. Holy shit. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. That was worth every bit. That tune, oh my goodness, it is worth every bit. The pops and bangs, oh my goodness, that's insane. I'm out of words right now about how exciting it is to drive this car, but it's a rocket. It just throws you in your seat. Oh my goodness. That 800 foot-pounds of torque is no joke. Coming up to the light right now, and then we'll go ahead and do another pull, get an idea again how it feels. I let off on that one. It was a little exciting. Yeah, the burbles are insane. I love it. Try to kind of bring the camera in a little bit, just so it's not as much wind noise. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, we're gonna get pulled over for sure. That is too loud. Okay, here we go. All right, ready, you guys? Let's do 30. Goddamn! Oh shit! Popcorn or what? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't even know what to say right now. That is insane. Oh my God. Okay. Don't know what to say. That is too fun. Oh my God, you guys need to experience that. Oh man. All right, well, let me take it back to the house. I don't want to get pulled over. Okay, and that's gonna do it. Oh my goodness. I am just out of words. I'm out of words. I love the AMG. I tell you what, it is amazing, and constantly amazes me. So yeah, that tune. Thanks again, Race IQ, Anthony over there. Amazing. Oh my goodness. I can't wait till I get a good pool in the morning though, you know, because right now my car is running pretty warm with that 100-degree weather. Definitely going to be looking into getting some heat exchangers put in, and probably an intake too maybe. But other than that, oh yeah, tires. I need tires. Thing just spins like crazy. But yeah, overall super satisfied. Everything worked out really well. It was really easy install. Process with Anthony was super awesome too. Got it in 2 days, you know, my genius. So worked out pretty good. No check engine light on the dash. Like, that was amazing. So alright, you guys, stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to be doing a lot better driving clip of the AMG, you know, doing some more stuff around that, getting a lot more sound clips, because I know even in this video it's very limited to the amount of sound that you guys are actually getting to capture, you know, and it was dark trying to hear the car and stuff. So yeah, my next video is just going to be strictly sounds of a fully straight piped, you know, catless downpipe tune, pops and bangs, CLS63 AMG. So stay tuned for that, you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. You